You are now watching
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today we'll be making Quavo from the Migos. So let's jump right into it. So we're gonna start off right here. Let's pick his face right there. Pick that one. He looks so much like Quavo, so this is really a good me right here, you know. Anyways, so you're gonna pick that and then color. You can make him a little darker, whatever you want, but this is the one I think looks best. Let's move on to his hairstyle. So he's obviously not, I mean, he does rock this sometimes, but they don't have the one he actually had, like, rocks the most. So, but this is the closest one you'll get. You want to put that, and then let's go down to his eyebrows, and then pick those. Position. Just pause the video, copy the stats. As long as you copy my stats, you'll have a pretty good results. You pick these eyes right here, and then you position that, and then black, and then let's go to the nose. Kind of pick down right there, and that, and then you go to the mouth. Let's go to the mouth. You pick that because he's always showing his grills. You know, those diamonds, the eyes. So you know, kind of pick that one. Copy that color. And then let's move on to the facial hair. It does have facial hair, you want to copy that, and then right there. And then nope. And then last but not least, go to the glasses. You wanna put these, and then that position. This is the closest you'll get to gold. You know, he's always rocking those fire gold glasses. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make Quavo from the Migos. You can put any color you want. Just put orange. And yeah, there it is, ladies and gentlemen, Quavo.